Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to repair Paint 3D on Windows 11. So firstly guys, you have to click on Start, Settings. Now here guys, click on this Apps option, then Install Apps. Here guys, you will see a list of applications which you installed. Now here type 3D. So you will see 3D Viewer and Paint 3D. Click on this three dot, Advanced Options. Now here is the option Repair. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected, so repair. Now wait for a few seconds, and once this complete and your application is still not working, so you can reset. Make sure once you reset, apps data will be deleted. Now once you complete, close and restart. Hopefully guys, this method will work and this will repair Paint 3D in Windows 11. And still guys, you are facing problems, so uninstall and reinstall official Paint 3D from Microsoft Store. So thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.